Hey everyone, I'm Stephanie, the Emerging Technology Librarian here at the Corpus Christi Public Libraries. Today we will be introducing a new food series called Quick Bites. So within this series what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate quick recipes that you can make in minutes. But before we do that, let's go over some quick housekeeping tips to make sure that our food adventure is stress-free as possible. So number one, first, go through the recipe and gather all the ingredients. Second step is to wash your hands. Remember, the recommended time is 25 seconds, front and back and in between. If you want to, you can check out Science Time with Miss Victoria. One of her first episodes includes a little rhyme that you can go with while you're washing your hands. Third one is to make sure you have a clean area. Make sure everything's wiped down. Make sure your utensils, your forks, knives, spoons, anything, your bowls, cups, like today, any mugs, anything, everything is clean. You don't want the ingredients to mix until you're ready. So for the fourth and final step, what we're going to do is today we're using the microwave. So we want to make sure that the mug is microwave safe. And what you can do is you can take the mug, turn it upside down, and in the bottom it should say microwave safe. Other than that, guys, we're ready to start. In today's episode, we will be using the microwave to make delicious recipes. We'll be making pancakes, omelets. If you need help around the microwave, it's recommended to have an adult or someone familiar with the microwave to help. So our first recipe today is pancake in a cup. You need two simple ingredients. One is pancake mix, the second is milk. You can add additional items like fruit, cinnamon, and vanilla, but that's all up to you. So what we're going to do is we are going to take 1/4 cup of pancake mix and put it in the cup. Next ingredient is 1/8 cup of milk. So we're going to take our 1/4 cup and half of that is 1/8. So we're going to take the 1/8 and pour it in the cup. Our next step is simple. All you're going to do is mix it. So you're going to go ahead and mix it. Keep on mixing it. Okay, so once you have mixed all your items, just put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Take it out. If you need to put it on for extra time, put it for another 15 seconds. Take it out. And it should be done. So one warning, if the cup is too hot, you can always take a towel and take the cup out with the towel. We want to make sure you are safe. Okay, so this is the pancake in a cup. I did put it in for 1 minute, but when I looked at it, I did feel like it did need more time, so I put it in for another 15 seconds. And here's the final product. Here it is, pancake in a cup. All you need to do is add some syrup. There you go, breakfast pancake in a cup. The next recipe is omelets in a cup. And let's begin. So we are going to first lightly coat our mug with the cooking spray. And then we will be cracking 2 to 3 eggs in the mug. If you get a shell in there, don't worry, just wet your finger and then you are able to dip your finger into the egg mixture and you should be able to easily get the shells out. So after cracking the eggs, we're going to thoroughly mix all 2 to 3 eggs to make sure they're scrambled together. The next step is you're going to add your meat and cheese. After that, you're going to add some salt and pepper. And then you're going to mix all the ingredients until they are completely mixed together. The next step is to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute has passed, and what we're going to do now is we're going to take the cup and we're going to continue to break a large portion of the eggs because you can see it's not done yet. but we want to make sure to break up the big pieces. So we'll continue doing that. Make sure everything's broken up. And then we'll put it for another 45 seconds. Okay, so this is the final product after 45 seconds. So as you can see, it's nice and fluffy, ready to eat. If you want, you can put some more shredded cheese on there. But I wanted to show you, if you don't want to open up a whole bag of shredded cheese or a bag of ham, what I ended up doing is I just bought a Lunchable and just used the top. That way I know it's one serving and it's just for me. So that's it, folks. Hope you enjoy Omelet in a Cup. I hope you had fun with this program with Quick Bites. Breakfast, you can make it any time of the day. Also, please remember that these recipes are flexible. You can add ingredients, you can take ingredients out as you wish. Don't like cinnamon? You don't need it. Want to add bananas? You can. For more recipes on small meals, don't forget to check out our collection, whether it's inside our branches or online. All library branches are open. Check out our website or your preferred library location Facebook group for their modified hours. If you're interested in curbside, give us a call. Each of us have this service based upon availability. Don't forget our online apps, Hoopla and Axis360, for your digital options. That's all we have, folks. For all our foodies out there who want to show off your delicious creations, take a picture of your mug recipe and post it on our Facebook post of this program. For more online programming options, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Corpus Christi Public Libraries. That's all, folks. Bye.